Montama National News Agency, in cooperation with the Mongolian National Modern Art Gallery, is presenting a series of Mongolian fine art masterpieces. This time we are presenting the artwork A Nomadic Family of the Steppe by State Prize Laureate and the People's Artist, Doctor of Art Studies Tultum. Painted with oil paint on a 79:159 ratio canvas in 1955, the artwork is one of the most valuable artworks of the 20th century. Indirectly depicting a blissful way of life through the view of steppe, people's nomadic life, and the great beauty of the land and sky, it is considered a perfect example of depth drawing, when oil painting technique was just developing. On the left, a track can be seen in the distance, causing dust to go up into the air, symbolizing the start of a new beginning, while girls in the countryside show the traditional nomadic way of living. Thus, as a whole, this landscape painting indirectly presents the contrast between the tradition and modernity. Mixture of city and countryside is also skillfully illustrated through the woman who is seeing someone off for a long journey with her child. The blue sky, white-green steppe, freely grazing animals in the Mongolian nomadic families that own the livestock, gradually moving white clouds, ever so misty blue mountain tops, and the long dirt road can be seen from afar. All these simple things create the setting of the artwork. Artist Tultum is one of the first professional artists that acquired higher education, having studied at the Moscow State Academic Arts Institute, named after Suriko. He was a leading contributor in the development of the Mongolian modern art to the professional level.